Welcome to Math Flashcards, Addition, 1st and 2nd grades. My name is Philip King. I am going to show you some math problems involving addition. Your job is to shout out the answer before the clock stops ticking. When the clock stops ticking, I will tell you the answer. Are you ready? Okay, let us begin. 3 plus 2 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 4 equals 2 plus 4 equals 6. 7 plus 1 equals 7 plus 1 equals 8. 1 plus 4 equals 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 5 equals 4 plus 5 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 7 plus 2 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 3 plus 6 equals 9. 8 plus 2 equals 8 plus 2 equals 10. 3 plus 5 equals 3 plus 5 equals 8. 3 plus 4 equals 3 plus 4 equals 7. 8 plus 2 equals 8 plus 2 equals 10. 4 plus 0 equals 4 plus 0 equals 4. 9 plus 0 equals 9 plus 0 equals 9. 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 7 equals 2 plus 7 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. 7 plus 4 equals 7 plus 4 equals 11. 5 plus 3 equals 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 plus 3 equals 8 plus 3 equals 11. 9 plus 2 equals 9 plus 2 equals 11. 9 plus 1 equals 9 plus 1 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 8 plus 2 equals 10. 4 plus 3 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7. 10 plus 2 equals 10 plus 2 equals 12. 8 plus 4 equals 8 plus 4 equals 12. 4 plus 8 equals 4 plus 8 equals 12. 11 plus 1 equals 11 plus 1 equals 12. 1 plus 5 equals 1 plus 5 equals 6. 7 plus 2 equals 7 plus 2 equals 9. 2 plus 9 equals 2 plus 9 equals 11. 6 plus 5 equals 6 plus 5 equals 11. 5 plus 5 equals 5 plus 5 equals 10. 4 plus 4 equals 4 plus 4 equals 8. Well, that's it for this lesson. How did you do? I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, then please click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. If you are interested in WordPress and starting your own business, then you should also check out the King Solutions website. The link is below the video. See you soon, and thanks again for taking the time to view this video.